it's Scott, Florida Structural Group, Operations Manager here. We're at Port Sanibel. We're actually doing a retaining wall slash seawall here behind the restaurant in preparation for an elevated walkway with pavers and new pilings. The guys are here forming and pouring. Actually, they've already formed it. They're here pouring it with our own concrete and our own pump. Thanks for checking us out.
What does it mean to see the FSG concrete truck rolling down the road?
When you see the FSG concrete truck going down the road, you know it's about to go down.